Yeah, I'll give you this. The entire sheet I'll give you. Wait. I mean, you can take out print out. Just come to the exercise now. Okay. Look at this question. All GSSC, GPSC, everywhere you will find these questions. What is given? Pointing to a photograph, a man said. Now, a man is pointing toward a photograph and making a statement. Right? Make a diagram like this. Pointing to a photograph. So this is a photograph. And there is a man who is making this statement, pointing toward this photograph. Pointing toward this photograph. Of this photograph, who is there, we don't know. This person is saying that I have no brother or no sister. Pointing to a photograph, this man is saying that I have no brother or no sister. So no brother or no sister, I'm the only son, right? But that man's father, this person's father is my father's son. Now, if I'm pointing toward a photograph and I'm saying that I don't have any brother or sister, but this person's father is my father's son. First of all, who is my father's son? Me only, right? Who is my father's son? Me only, because I don't have any brother or sister, right? Now this person is saying that this person's father is me. Saying that this person's father, but that man's father is my father's son. Who is my father's son? Me only. And now,
so better to solve it from
behind. Yeah, behind. My father's son means me. Now that person is saying that man, that means person who is there in the photograph, that man's father is my father's son. That man's father is me only. That means, who do you think that person will be making a statement about that? Yeah, own son. Very good. This way, that man's father is me only. So I am saying that man's father is me only. So I am the one who is making a statement. So I am the father. So this person is what? My son. So now the question is, whose photograph was it? This person's son's. You're saying his own wrong. His son's, yes. If I'm saying that person's father is me only. So that person's father is me only, that means he is my son only. Because I don't have any brother or sister. Right? So always solve from behind. Next is pointing towards a boy. Veena said. Here I have to assume Veena to female, but not necessary always. So pointing towards a boy. So there is one boy who is standing. And now Veena is pointing toward him, right? Veena is female, pointing toward this boy. That he is the only son of my grandfather. So who is only son of my grandfather? My father. Now this Veena is saying that this person is the son of my father. This lady is saying that this person is who is what he is. He is son of my father. Who is son of my father? Yeah. Yeah, her brother. So who is this person? This girl's brother or not? Now the question is, how is boy related to Veena? So boy is what? Brother of Veena or not? Which option? Option B. So the word this blood relation problem, single statement type, always solve from behind.
Yeah.
Will give you a better idea.
Clarity will be more, sir, from background, that side.
Yes.
My grandfather. Then
Yeah.
only son. Then his only son is brother.
Yes. Look at the third one. Let's take third one also.
If you start by starting on it will be total confusion, sir.
Initially, right?
Yeah.
No, it happens. So new to this. What is given? Introducing Reena. Introducing to Reena, Monica is saying. So now, if I'm Monica, I'm introducing Reena. So introducing Reena, Monica said, this is Monica. Introducing what? Reena. So this is Reena. I'll write down Reena. Monica. So Monica is introducing Reena. And what's she saying about Reena? That she is the only daughter of my father's only daughter. Right? This lady, Reena, is the only daughter of my father's only daughter. Who is my father's only daughter? Who is my father's only daughter? My sister only. Or my father's only daughter means what if I'm female? So this is Monica itself. Monica is saying my father's only daughter is and now this Reena is the only daughter. She is the only daughter of my father's only daughter. So my father's only daughter is Monica only. Right? And who is Reena? Only daughter of Monica. Who is Reena? Is the only daughter of my father's only daughter. So my father's only daughter. If Monica is saying my father's only daughter, that means Monica itself. So Reena is only daughter of what? Monica. My father's only daughter will be what? Monica only. My father's only daughter. If Monica is saying my father's only daughter, so I'll replace my father's only daughter with Monica. Now Monica is saying about Reena that this girl is the only daughter of Monica. Monica is saying that this girl is the only daughter of Monica, but I myself is Monica. So in this case, how is Monica related to Reena? So Monica is what?
D.
No, data is the only daughter of my father's only daughter, right? She is the, huh?
Or she has only one daughter.
Yeah. So answer has to be E, na? If I'm Monica, I'm saying that Reena is the only daughter, single daughter of my father's only daughter. My father's only daughter will be me, Monica. And this Reena is only daughter of me. So Reena is only daughter of me. Now the question is, how is Monica related to Reena? So Monica is mother of Reena. Yeah. Answer is none of these. Only daughter, only daughter. If there is daughter, they said, right? Instead of only, if only was not there, answer would have been data inadequate. Understood? So whenever we have this question, you always have to solve from behind. Always. Right? Now, from 4th onward, we solve this and then I'll share this worksheet with you after some time. First, solve this. Try this.